All right, I got a little bit different of a video for you today. This is a pipe, and you can tell that because of the way that it is. So this is going to be a light pole at the church, and Mr. Filippo asked me to weld this on there. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is Amazon special, and it's like, hey, yeah, just weld that on there. But I can't do that. I mean, this thing is so thin, and I'm not the world's greatest welder, so I'm not going to do that. So instead, I've got some extra metal strap here, and I'm going to see if I can't come up with an idea of maybe putting a piece of it on there to make it so that we can bolt this to it. So I don't know, I got an idea. Let me a minute here, let me figure it out, and I'll show you if it works.